In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect QuickBooks Online with Mailchimp using an integration platform like Zapier. This connection will allow you to sync customer data and purchase history, which can then be used to create powerful, automated email campaigns. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into both your QuickBooks Online and Mailchimp accounts. Ensure that you have all the correct login credentials handy. It's important to establish this access because both platforms will need to communicate in real time. Once you're logged in, head over to Zapier. Zapier is an excellent tool for connecting applications and automating workflows without needing any coding skills. It essentially acts like a bridge between QuickBooks and Mailchimp, facilitating the information exchange. Now, on Zapier's dashboard, you'll want to search for and select QuickBooks Online as the first app. For our purpose, QuickBooks will act as the trigger, the app that kicks off this workflow. Next, set Mailchimp as the action app, meaning that whenever something happens in QuickBooks Online, it will automatically execute a response in Mailchimp. Go through the prompts Zapier provides to grant permission for it to access both accounts. This authorization is crucial for seamless integration. Once the apps are connected, the next move is setting up workflows to sync your data. This involves mapping out how data flows from QuickBooks into Mailchimp. You'll want to focus on syncing customer details and purchase histories, crucial for personalizing your campaigns. For those unfamiliar with data fields, think of them as pathways that guide your information where it needs to go. Zapier's intuitive interface should help you match details like names, emails, and purchase transactions from QuickBooks over to your Mailchimp audience lists. With the data synced, we now shift our attention to creating automated email campaigns targeting customers based on their transaction history. This step is where the magic happens. Because you've already transferred the purchase data to Mailchimp, you can group customers based on similar purchases or spending patterns. This segmentation enables you to tailor emails that speak directly to each group's interests. Consider these as personalized conversations, a great way to build and maintain relationships with your customers. Lastly, once your campaigns are up and running,